Hello guys, I'm Rachel from GK Sneaker. Today I would like to do a review on Dior Jordan 1. So in front of you are two pairs of sneakers. Left one is real, right one is fake. So there are many differences between them. Let's check it one by one. So first, let's check the laces. For the laces, it should be a little waxed and the tip should be metal. But for this fake pair, it's also has metal at the tip, but they got difference. That is, the brightness is different. So let's put side by side. So you can see for the real pair, it's more silver-like, but for the fake pair, it's more brown-like. So the brightness is different. And they also got difference on laces. For the laces, for the real pair, it's actually a little waxed. But this one, no, just regular gray laces. So this is wrong. Second, let's check the leather. For this is real pair, we can see it's gray, and this white leather actually with vintage look. It's not pure white. It's a little yellowish tint. But this one also have yellowish tint, but when we touch it, the leather material is totally different. So when we press it, we can see this is very firm. So it's very well constructed and very good material. So it's very firm. But for this fake pair, I used even less strength. So you can see it's very soft, easily get crushed. And third, let's check the label. So we can see here for the tongue label, it's like this. And for the fake pair, it's like this. So let's put side by side. Can you see the difference? So the color, the label is totally different. And one important thing I need to point it out is you see Dior. The O letters, it's not regular O. This O, can you notice that the O is more round? It's not oval, right? It's not like alphabet O. It's specially designed O, it's round O. So, but for this one, you can see it's more oval shape. So this is wrong. So this is the third part. Fourth part, we can check the tongue material. We can see this is special design, special pattern, embossed material with the Dior logo all over. On this one, so this is the fake pair. It also has this design. Now let's check the back side of the tongue. You can see the back side. For the real pair, you can see the lining material, very soft, but white and nice color, right? White lining material. Looks very nice. But for the fake pair, we can see the backside material. Can you feel it? The color, it's like the foam inside. It looks black. So this is totally two different levels. The left one much nicer than the right one. So the backside of tongue is totally different. And also the label on the back of the tongue, we can see for the real pair, what does it say on here? So can you see a special pattern here, a wave line here, and it says made in Italy. Oh, how to see? Oh, so you can see here, right? It has some letters. It says made in Italy. But for here, nothing on the backside tongue label. So this is totally different. Fourth, let's check the swoosh material. So this swoosh material is the most difficult part. This material is imported from Italy, so 100% original material. You can see the logo is very clear. It's same as retail, because this is 100% imported from Italy. But for the fake pair, let's check. You can see that the pattern is different, and the logo is very blurred. And the color also long. This white color, actually not so white. It should be consistent with this leather color. So you can see, let's put side by side. So the left is real, right is fake. Can you see the difference? Left is original material, but right pair is not. So we got difference on the swoosh pattern. Fifth, I would like to mention about those. We know for each Dior Jordan 1, they got exclusive number inside shoes. So here, so this one it says 4145 and 8,500. 8,500 it means for the overall release quantity it's like 8,500 pairs, and this is the 4,145 pair for the Jordan Dior. Some customers, they talk to me and say, why there's no Miami inside the shoes? I would like to explain a little about that. For the Dior Jordan 1, they have one Miami inside. That pair is for the show. It's not officially released. So for the officially released, no Miami letters. So this pair is, this pair, officially released pair, they don't have Miami letters. So this is the point. 6, let's check the outsole. So the outsole, it's like this. So you can see the outsole, it's a little ice blue. But actually, for the fake pair, you can see, what's the difference? Can you see? You can see the fake pair, it's more blue. It looks more blue, and you can see here, Dior. For the real pair, left real pair, the Dior letters, it's more big, and the right pair, Dior logo is smaller. So the Dior, these 4 letters should be very big, and the O, it should be round, cannot be oval. So can you see this O is a kind of fat? But this one O is slimmer and it's oval, right? So Dior, for these O letters, it's also a very important part when you check if the bag, their purse is real or not. You need to check that O letter. 6, let's check some insole. So for this Dior Jordan, they got 2 insole. One is regular, like Jordan insole here. So left is real, right is fake. So can you see a difference? I think no big difference for this regular insole. But for the special insole, it's a big difference. So for the left one is the real special insole, the right one is the fake one. So can you see difference? I guess you cannot see the difference, because it cannot see from the camera, but when you check in person, they are totally different on weight. So for the left pair, left one is real one, it's done by PU material, but this one is done by EVA material. Let's check back side. So for Dior Jordan, they also have some explanation in the chart to explain the composition for this special insole. So here you can see it got here, and it says PU022. It says this is made of PU material, but this is EVA material, so very soft. How to I don't know if when I say EVA, if you don't know about this. For some regular Nike shoes, if you have some these, also it's very light. That is most made by EVA material. So most light Nike shoes, they are made of EVA material, but for Jordan, so for this kind of material, it's called TPR material. It's a bit heavy. So this is called TPR material. But for PU, actually not commonly used on outsole. But for this insole, it use PU material. But for EVA, it's a very commonly used material on outsole. Okay. So this is the difference for the insole, and you can see the insole very special, all Dior logo embossed. Okay, let's check the here. 7th, let's check the part under insole. So for the real pair, we can see here. The pattern is very special, right? Also a lot of embossed logo, and this time we can notice different from other Jordans before. For other Jordans, we know a lot of lines, stitching line left, and right. But for here, for real pair, it's very clean, no lines left. But for the fake pair, we can see still got a lot of lines. So do you know what I mean? I mean this part. For other regular Jordans, they have this stitching line left. But for the real Dior Jordan 1, they already cut it off. No such lines. And for the fake pair, you can see this cardboard, like the cardboard under insole. Its color is darker than the real pair. It's a small detail that is about the lining and the leather at the heel part. We can notice that. You can see here, the lining material and the leather, they are at the same level, nicely aligned here. But for the fake pair, so what do you notice? You can see the lining fabric material already higher than the leather, already covered and on the top of the leather. So actually this is strong. And let's have a side-by-side comparison. So can you notice the difference? Which one would you prefer? So for the left one is real. So the fabric and leather, they are at the same level. But for the fake pair, you can see the fabric is higher than the leather. Okay, the last one I would like to talk about the metal material. So this is the accessory here. So if you don't put them side by side, you can notice the difference. So here you can see, and back side it's like this and have Dior logo here, and the logo, Air Jordan logo, and these metals, they are very shiny, bright. But for the fake one, this one is correct. At the back part, you can see it has Dior logo here and not smooth. For some fake pair, they are smooth at the back side, and this is here. And now let's put side by side, and you will see a difference. So here, can you see the difference for the logo for this metal? So very clear. The real one is more white and bright, but for the fake one, it's more like bronze color. So this is different. Okay, overall, I think if you don't put the two shoes side by side, you won't notice this big difference, but actually they have a lot of difference. So for the material is different. One is more firm, the other is easily get crushed. And the swoosh material, big difference. And the logo, that all big difference. And the label on the tongue without made in Italy for the fake pair. And also the insole, also totally different. So, and some overall craftsmanship, the real pair is much better than the fake pair. Okay, that is all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumb up. Thank you.